Welcome to Succedo Markets, your guide to Forex trading. In today's video, we're going to show you how to read a Forex chart in a way that's simple and easy to understand. Ready? Let's go. A Forex chart shows the price movements of currency pairs, like the value of the euro against the US dollar. Think of it as a graph that helps you see how much one currency is worth compared to another over time. First, you'll see the currency pair at the top of the chart, like EUR-USD. This tells you which two currencies you're trading. For example, EUR-USD means you're comparing euros with US dollar. Next, look at the numbers on the right side. These are the prices. They show how much one currency is worth in terms of the other. When the price goes up, the value of the first currency is getting stronger. When it goes down, it's getting weaker. Now let's look at the most common type of chart, the candlestick chart. Each candle shows you the price changes in a certain time period, like 1 hour or 1 day. A green candle means the price went up during that time. Each candlestick shows 4 things: the opening price, where the price started, the closing price, where it ended, the highest price it reached, and the lowest price it dropped to. Traders also use something called a moving average. This is a smooth line that helps you see the overall trend, whether the price is going up or down over time. Now pay attention to support and resistance levels. Support is the price level where the market tends to stop falling. Resistance is where it tends to stop rising. At Succedo Markets, we provide all the tools you need to read charts like a pro, whether you're just starting out or already experienced. Want to practice? Open a demo account with us and get real-time experience without risking any money. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Succedo Markets for more tips on Forex trading. Start trading smarter today.